So I decided to do an EdPuzzle. So this is where my class name is, and then this is where you can show progress or share it with wherever you can export the data. I've given it a due date, and then we will just watch the video. Oh, and I have disabled skipping, and now we will watch the video. Have any of you tried to burn an ant with a magnifying glass? Well, today we're going to watch another example of how to use heat to start a fire. So that's an example of my audio note. And then there's also short answer responses that students would have to submit. This is to show that you can embed pictures in your comments and questions. And then there's also true-false questions. Go ahead and explain to the person sitting next to you why you think the answer is true or why you think the answer is false. And then there's also multiple choice answers that you can create. And that is my EdPuzzle.